In a stunning revelation, French intelligence has accused China of orchestrating a sophisticated campaign to undermine the reputation of France's flagship Rafale fighter jets. This comes in the aftermath of India's Operation Sindoor against Pakistan in May 2025, a conflict that not only played out in the skies, but as it turns out, also in the shadows of digital and diplomatic warfare. Hello, I'm Gunjan Handa and let me take you through this. Operation Sindoor saw the Indian Air Force deploy its advanced Rafale jets in a decisive aerial campaign. The operation, launched after a major terror attack in Pahalgam, marked the Rafale's first combat deployment in South Asia, drawing global attention to its performance and India's growing air power. Rafale jets demonstrated their unmatched precision, strike capabilities and established clear air superiority over Chinese-origin jets like the JF-17, the J-10C, operated by the Pakistan Air Force. The report points to China's growing discomfort with the operational edge Rafales provide to Indian Air Force, especially in high-altitude, high-threat scenarios, a domain where Chinese hardware continues to underperform. But as the dust settled, a parallel battle began. This time it is not in the skies, but across social media, diplomatic corridors, and international headlines. According to a French intelligence report shared with the Associated Press, China's embassies, led by their defense attaches, launched a coordinated effort to discredit the Rafale. The campaign's goal was to persuade countries, especially those in Asia and Africa, like Indonesia, to not to buy more Rafales and instead consider Chinese-made alternatives. The methods were wide-ranging and modern. One such method was diplomatic lobbying. Chinese diplomats reportedly held meetings with officials in countries considering Rafale purchases, warning them about its jets' alleged shortcomings and promoting Chinese alternatives. Another method was digital offensive. Over 1,000 new social media accounts sprang up, spreading manipulated images, AI-generated videos, and even video game footage purporting to show downed Rafales. Another such method was amplification of Pakistani claims. The campaign leaned heavily on Pakistani narratives, which claimed the downing of multiple Indian jets, including Rafales, during the conflict. Claims robustly denied by both Indian officials and Dassault Aviation, the Rafale's manufacturer. Analysts say that this was a vast campaign of disinformation, not just targeting the Rafale, but France's reputation as a reliable defense partner and strategic autonomy. Indian Air Force officials and Dassault have dismissed the Pakistani claims as baseless, pointing to the absence of credible evidence. The stakes are high. Dassault has exported over 300 Rafales worldwide, with Indonesia alone ordering 42 and considering even more. Each sale is not just a commercial deal, it is a foothold in the global arms market and for France, a way to strengthen its influence in Asia, a region where China is keen to limit Western presence. China's campaign appears designed to weaken France's growing defense ties in Asia and promote its own military exports. China's Ministry of National Defense has denied all allegations, calling them baseless, rumors and slander. But French authorities remain firm, seeing the episode as a wake-up call about the new frontiers of information warfare in the global arms race. As the battle for skies moves increasingly into the digital sphere, one thing is clear. In the 21st century, perception can be potent as firepower. For now, Rafale's reputation and France's credibility as defense partner remains undisputed, especially after this report from the French intelligence. I am Gunjan Handa for the Asian Chronicle.